Hello, welcome back to the channel. Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that your job has been taken over. Not by another person, but by artificial intelligence. A machine writes report, answers customers, diagnoses diseases, drives vehicles, and even creates videos. Is this the beginning of a golden age of innovation or the biggest employment crisis in human history? Will AI create millions of new opportunities or will it make millions of people unemployed? And most importantly, will your job survive the AI revolution? Stay with me till the end because today's discussion could change the way you think about your career, your future, and the future of humanity. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction, it is already transforming our lives. AI writes email, translates languages, generates images, creates music, assists doctors, helps lawyers, teaches students, and even writes computer code. Companies across the world are investing billions of dollars in AI because it increases productivity, reduces costs, and works 24 hours a day. But every technological revolution raises one important question. What happens to human workers? Many people fear that AI will replace them. And honestly, some of those concerns are real. Routine official work, customer support, data entry, basic accounting, simple programming, even content creation are increasingly being automated. History shows that whenever machines become capable of performing repetitive tasks faster and cheaper, many traditional jobs decline. The challenge is that AI is expanding beyond physical work into knowledge work as well. But here is another side that often gets ignored. Even major technological revolution has also created entirely new industry. The internet eliminated some jobs, but created web developers, app developers, digital marketers, YouTubers, cyber security experts, and cloud engineers. Similarly, AI is creating demand for AI engineers, prompt engineers, AI trainers, data scientists, machine learning specialists, AI ethics experts, robotics technicians, human AI collaboration managers. Many professions didn't even exist 10 years ago. Tomorrow's careers may not even have names today. Now question arises, which jobs are safest? Jobs requiring human creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, teaching, counseling, healthcare, scientific research, entrepreneurship, and skilled trades are likely to remain valuable. AI can process information, but human create meaning. AI predicts, human imagine. AI calculates, human inspire. The future belongs not to people who compete with AI, but to people who learn how to use AI and who learn how to work alongside AI. Now, what should you do? Instead of fearing, learn it. Develop communication skills. Improve problem solving ability. Strengthen creativity. Learn digital tools. Keep upgrading yourself. Remember, the greatest risk is not AI. The greatest risk is refusing to adapt. The people who continuously learn will remain valuable in every era. Artificial intelligence is neither completely good nor completely bad. It is a powerful tool. Like electricity or the internet, its impact depends on how humanity uses it. The future will not simply belong to AI. The future will belong to people who know how to use AI wisely. So the real question isn't will AI replace humans? The real question is will humans who use AI replace humans who don't think about it? If you found this discussion valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Let's see in the next video.